Hello and good evening all of you. Today I discuss about the supply chain management through an PPT. So let's get started. So firstly we know that what is supply chain management. Supply chain management is the management of the flow of goods and services and includes all the process that transform raw materials into final product. So we can say that a supply chain is a global network used to deliver product and services from the raw material suppliers to the end customers through an example flow of distribution and gas. The given figure illustrates the very basic supply chain with three entities: a producer with one supplier and one customer. There are four basic flows to connect the supply chain entities together as flow of physical materials and services from supplier to the end customers, flow of gas from customer to the raw material supplier, flow of information along the chain, and reverse product flow. Now the key component of supply chain management. So there are five basic components of supply chain management. First one is plan. Plan is the initial stage of the supply chain process. We need to develop a plan or a strategy in order to address how the product and services will satisfy the demands and necessities of the customer. Develop. After planning, the next step involves developing and sourcing. In this stage, we mainly concentrate on building a strong relationship with suppliers. Make. The third step is manufacturing or making of product that were demanded by the customer. In this stage, the products are designed, produced, tested, packaged, and synchronized for delivery. Deliver. The fourth stage is the delivery stage. Here, the products are ready to deliver to the customer at the destined location by the supplier. Now, the last and final stage referred as the return. In this stage, defected or damaged goods are returned to the supplier by the customer. Now we need to know why need of supply chain. The ultimate goal of effective supply chain management is higher profit through improved customer satisfaction and a lower cost of doing business. The basic purpose of the supply chain is to fulfill demand, drive customer value, improve responsiveness, facilitate financial success, and build a good network. Now, we need to know what is the role of information technology in supply chain management. So, we can see companies that opt to participate in supply chain management initiatives accept a specific role to enact. These are cost reduction. The advancement of technology has further ready to available of all the products with different offers and discounts. Improvement strategies. Improvement and product market strategies. Recent years have seen huge growth not only in technology but the market itself. Productivity. The growth of information technology has improved productivity because of inventions of new tools and softwares. Now the example of supply chain management or supply chain. Here the Coca-Cola company with two suppliers, second-tier suppliers, first-tier suppliers, and two customers, first-tier and second-tier. Second-tier suppliers include vanilla flavoring, cherry flavoring, water suppliers, carbon dioxide suppliers, glass factory, aluminum factory. So we can see the raw material suppliers are the second-tier suppliers. First-tier suppliers include Coke concentrate plants where they make the syrup, packaging facility. After these, manufacturing is started, warehousing and distributors ready to distribute. To the first-tier customer. First-tier customer include retailers like supermarkets, stores, etc., vending machines. First-tier customer distribute to second-tier customer. Second-tier customers like consumers like you and me. Now we know the benefit and risk of supply chain management. So these are the benefits of supply chain management. First one is provide good customer service. Some risk can be shifted to the supplier, minimize delays, eliminate risk activity, reduce uncertainty along the chain. Now the risk, we can see increased transportation cost, increased effort required to manage the supply chain, lack of partner coordination, increased pressure for customer service and asset utilization, language and cultural differences. Thank you everyone for listening me.